First player that is going to be important in the squad is Tebogo Mokoena. You build a team around him. A very important player. Evergreen Tebogo Mokoena. Give it all. The guy is dedicated. He can score goals. He can defend. He can play. I win 11 and it's improved.
Yeah, let's go to your second player then.
Siposidan Mbule.
Yeah.
Now
we have woman and was done.
Yeah, I think well done to Hugo Bros. I think ukwazile kumbamba lapha. I think yes, nokumbiza ngale gama lokuthi Zidane, similar type of player. Lamchita naturally. It's rare to find a player efana nalo yamfana. Ngikhuluma around the country. Uphethe lengcondo ayiphethe. The guy is very gifted.
Let's go to the third one.
The boy played a major role Bafana.
The qualifiers.
Qualifiers. And also Pirates winning these 2 trophies. Alamfana kwenye level can dealing a 1v1. He's a leader. He's got a strong character. He scored goals. Kunelinye goal walikora for Orlando Pirates. I think it's Swelele. Ngasho ngathi it's a game changing for the ball. Life changing for the ball.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.